In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money from Nano Banana. We'll turn simple AI prompts into scroll-stopping visuals and then turn those visuals into actual income using short-form platforms and basic monetization tactics. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser or app. This is where you'll create the eye-catching image that anchors your content. In the prompt box, write a creative specific idea. For example, create a hyper-realistic glass banana, apple, carrot, and pear on a marble table. Make it your own by adding details like color variations, dramatic lighting, depth of field, camera angle, or a moody background. The more precise your prompt, the more distinct and professional your result will look. Click Generate and let the AI apply the style. Review the outputs carefully. If something feels off, refine your prompt. Small tweaks to lighting, materials, or composition can make a big difference. Once you're happy, download the image in the highest available quality and keep it organized in a project folder so you can quickly reuse or repurpose it later. Next, turn that still image into a short video. Head to Google's AI Studio and open VO3. Click VO3, then get started, choose Generate Media, and select VO. You'll now craft a video prompt that animates the look you just created. A strong example could be, create a cinematic, hyper-realistic video of a glass apple being sliced in slow motion with ASMR sound. If supported, you can add extra details like camera motion or aspect ratio. Press enter and give it about 1 to 2 minutes to render. Preview the result. If the motion, lighting, or pacing isn't quite right, iterate with a clearer prompt. When it looks good, download the video. Consider exporting a few variations or different lengths so you have options for shorts and reels. Now upload to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels. Use engaging captions, searchable keywords, and relevant hashtags. Choose royalty-free music or original audio and follow each platform's community and monetization guidelines. As your views grow, you can earn through YouTube ad revenue, TikTok creator rewards, or Facebook Reels bonuses, noting that eligibility varies by region and account history. For extra income, layer in affiliate marketing, browse networks like OfferVault or ClickBank, pick products that fit your audience. Think stress relief, sleep aids, or relaxation items, and place links in your descriptions, captions, or pinned comments. Always follow disclosure requirements. Finally, publish and repeat. Keep testing new visuals, prompts, and offers. Track performance and double down on what works. Consistency and originality compound over time, turning your Nano Banana creations into a reliable income stream.